This CFD training package contains 9 different products applying the multiphase model by ANSYS Fluent software. All types of multiphase models, including VOF, mixture, and Eulerian, and also Eulerian Wall Film, are placed in this package. This CFD training package will be helpful to get familiar with the professional CFD projects in the multiphase area. By clicking on the subscribe button, you will be informed about the newest CFD training videos by MR-CFD. Or if you are watching the training video, click on the MR-CFD logo and subscribe. The first problem of the CFD training package simulates the mixing of carbon dioxide and ethanol in a tank applying VOF multiphase model. The second project simulates a 3-phase flow of water, air, and kerosene in a zigzag prose channel applying VOF model. The third problem simulates the water flow on an overflow enters the pond using ANSYS Fluent software applying VOF model. The present problem simulates the icing on the surface of the airfoil body using ANSYS Fluent software. Also, the gravity effect on the fluid is equal to -9.81 along the y-axis. The airfoil wall is a stationary wall. From the Eulerian Wall Film variable, we can check the film thickness. Here we can see the water film or icing production on the surface of the airfoil body, and the maximum wall thickness. Film thickness is somehow more than 7 millimeters. A summary of the defining steps of the problem and its solution is given in the following tables as a review. The problem number 5 simulates 2-phase flow in a convergent-divergent channel applying Eulerian multiphase model. Also, the project number 6 will simulate a 2-phase flow in a cylinder with a moving wall using Eulerian multiphase model. Also, the next project simulates non-Newtonian fluid flow between 2 eccentric cylinders using again Eulerian multiphase model.
In this project, we will simulate a 3-phase flow fuel injector. By clicking on display button, a new window will appear which you can see different parts of your geometry. Now, in order to extract a 3D contour, you just have to click on volume rendering button and accept the appeared window. After that, on the low left side of the software window, you can see that a new part will appear. In that part, in front of the variable section, you can select your desired variable. For example, in this slide, we are going to select the liquid volume fraction. After defining the variable, by clicking on an apply button, the software will show you the 3D contour. Now, in this 3D contour, you can easily see how the liquid has been injected inside our computational domain and how it has spread inside of it. Now, in this contour, you can better see the liquid volume fraction distribution in the middle section of our geometry, and you can easily see the liquid volume fraction has decreased near the interface of the phases air and liquid as it has turned into vapor. Now, in this 2D velocity contour, you can see that a jet velocity stream has been formed inside our computational domain due to the injection process. Finally, the summary of different settings and setup that we have used in our project is presented to you in the slide.
And finally, the last project of the CFD training package simulates the nonofluid flows in a heat source channel using mixture multiphase model. Obtain the mesh file and also the full training movie by purchasing this product. To benefit from MR-CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, contact our experts via info@mrcfd.com.